Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Thanksgiving makeup look. I asked on my, my Instagram stories what between two different palettes, and one of them was the Huda Beauty, the new Nude palette, and that one won. Obviously, majority of people wanted to see that one, and I'm so happy that everybody chose that one just because it's such a beautiful palette, and it is it just came out. So if you're thinking about getting it, I feel like this might be a good video for y'all to watch to see if it's worth it. And yeah, I love the tones of it. I love the makeup look that I created. This is the look, obviously. I think it's pretty and just really like feminine and beautiful. I think this would be perfect for Thanksgiving. Instead of doing your like typical fall colors, I feel like this is just something that would really look nice for Thanksgiving dinner. I'm gonna go ahead and quit talking. We're gonna go ahead and jump in right into this video. So let's do this. Okay, so I've already done this eye off camera just because I feel like that would speed things up a little bit. I'm using the Huda Beauty, the new Nude palette, which I love this. I've used it a few times already. It is pretty pricey, but I think it's totally worth it. The palette, like the colors of it are so beautiful and like different, like that's so pretty. And then like the types of eyeshadows they have in here, they have like matte shadows, and then they also have more shimmery shadows, and then they have like pressed glitter shadows, which is really neat. I haven't seen anything like this in other palettes, like the formulas of these, and I was really excited to use this. And I feel like this palette, it's more like a neutrals palette, but on the like mauve berry side, I guess you could say. But I think this would be really cute and really nice for a Thanksgiving look, just because it reminds me, honestly, all I think about when I see this is just, it's not exactly your fall tones that you would normally think of, but when I think of Thanksgiving, I always think of the cranberry sauce that usually most people have at their Thanksgiving dinners. I guess most American families, because I'm Mexican, I've never had that. The only reason I even know about cranberry sauce is because of having Thanksgiving dinner or breakfast, lunch, whatever you want to call it, with Blake's family. So yeah, that was the first time I've ever seen cranberry sauce, and I feel like these colors kind of just remind me of it, and I think this is a different way to do a Thanksgiving makeup look. So I'm really happy to be using this. So we're gonna go ahead and dive on in and start the look. Okay, so instead of just constantly like showing you, pulling up the palette and showing you which color I'm using, I'm gonna just have it like right here or something, like a little picture, and showing you which shade I'm using. So the first shade I'm using is Secret, and this is going to be our transition shade. It's kind of like a pretty lighter toned mauve brownie shade, so I think it'll be perfect for the transition. And I'm just taking this on a Morphe M518 blending brush. I get people that ask me all the time about what brushes I'm using, so I'm going to start to remember to mention that in my videos now. And I'm just taking that right into the crease, using little circular motions and windshield wiper motions to blend that out. I'm taking the shade Teddy, and it is more on the brownish side, like a lighter brown taupey color. And I'm taking on the Morphe M514 brush and just popping that right into my crease, keeping it lower than where we had the transition shade. And then just blending out the edges, making sure there's no harsh lines, per usual. Alright, and now I'm taking the shade Raw, which is a pretty, like, how would you say, like a brownish cranberry or like reddish kind of color. It's really hard to describe. These shades are so different from what I have in my collection. And I'm just going to, I'm using a Sigma Small Tapered Blending E45 brush. So first I'm just gonna go ahead and like pat it on to place it where I want, because I want this to be a little bit deeper. And I'm just focusing on the outer corner of my eye, not even really bringing it up yet. And I'm kind of taking it inside, kind of like you would with like a winged liner, I guess. So you can see it start taking like a winged outer corner. I don't know, I see this on like makeup looks all over social media all the time, and I feel like it just looks so pretty. And I feel like, especially because I have big round eyes, I feel like this kind of helps me have that almond shape. And then I'm just going to blend. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with one of the glitter eyeshadows, which I'm really excited to use. As you can see on this eye, it looks so pretty. It's just like really like extra dimensional. It does not look flat glitter or like flat shimmer shade. It's like really, really pretty. And there's so many different like specks in there, like shades. Really neat. So the one I'm using is called Crave. In the pan, you can see like the chunks of glitter in there, but when you put it on, it's not like chunky at all, which is really neat. And I'm just taking them on I'm taking it on a MAC 242 brush. If you don't have this brush for like applying pigment or just shimmery eyeshadows or foiled eyeshadows and things like that, then you are missing out. This brush is perfect for foiled eyeshadows or just for really packing on that pigment and getting the most payoff. It's amazing. I have like 2 of them, I think. So I'm just gonna go ahead and press it on there. Look at that, that's so crazy. The other thing I've noticed, like it's not really flaky. There's not really much fallout from this eyeshadow, and I didn't wet it or anything like with Fix Plus or whatever. Like this is just dry brush, picking it up with the brush and putting it right on. Okay, now to just spice it up a little bit, I mean, you could just totally leave it like this, and this is most of the days I don't even wear a wing liner anymore, just because I like the look of no wing liner. I feel like a little tiny wing will do this look really good. So again, you can just skip this part and move on to mascara and lashes if you want lashes, but I'm gonna add a little tiny wing. I'm just taking my Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner in Blackest Black. This is like drugstore. It's the best eyeliner. It's so black. Way better than any of the higher end ones. Like I've had Tarte, I've had MAC. I just feel like it does the jobs. I'm taking that on my Sigma Winged Liner E06 brush. This tiny little brush makes it so easy to do winged eyeliner. I love it. And it's not that expensive. So I have to be quiet for this part. I always make the line for the wing on the outer corner first, and then I'll go ahead and go from there and drag it back in. Alright, so now that the wing is done, we're going to go ahead and finish the lower lash line and then add some mascara and lashes. So I'm going to be taking my Morphe M321 and taking that first shade that we used called Secret. And we're just going to go ahead and apply that to the lower lash line and really smoke it out a little bit. And then I'm going to be taking my Morphe Y21 little flat definer brush here, and I'm taking the shade Raw and going and putting that right up against the waterline. And this is just going to really deepen up the the lower lash line, make it a little bit dramatic. Alright, and now I'm going to go ahead and take the Morphe M431, it's just like a little pencil brush, and take the color Bear. It's just like one of those little, it's just a little vanilla shade in the palette, and I'm going to pop that right onto the inner corner. That's the only thing that I see as a con in this palette, is that it doesn't really have like an intense inner corner highlight. And then I'm going to put that on the brow bone as a highlight. And just blend that out a little bit so there's no line right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and add mascara, and I just got this one. I've been wanting this forever. I got this actually during the Sephora VIB sale, which they're having another sale right now. But I've heard nothing but good things about this mascara. Oh my god, it's like weighty. It's the Milk Kush mascara. I love the packaging. This is so neat. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty heavy. We're gonna go ahead and pop this on. All right, now I'm gonna actually put on some lashes and I'll be right back. All right, got my lashes on, and that completes the eye look. And the ones I'm wearing are from Lily Lashes in the style Mykonos. I found them the other day. I guess I've had them for a while and I just never have used them, and I think they're so pretty and like so fluffy. I love these, and I don't feel like it's too much. But again, you don't have to put on lashes. Most of the time I don't. I don't know if I'll be wearing lashes on Thanksgiving or not, but most of the time I don't just because I have work. I don't have time to be like trying to put them on in the morning, so But I thought this look would be really pretty with some lashes, so I went ahead and threw some on, and we're gonna go ahead and finish off the face. All right, for bronzer, I'm gonna be using MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. I absolutely love this. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that. And if you didn't know already, obviously I had my whole face, and my concealer done, like just my base done already. So yeah, I will link below what I put on my face before. All of that will be linked down below. So, and the brush I'm using for this is the Sigma Tapered Faced F25 brush. And now I'm using the Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and Nicole Guerrero kit, glow kit. Pretty sure this isn't sold anymore, but I mean, I'm pretty sure you can find something similar. I'm just taking the shade Glow Getter, this one right here, and that's gonna be our highlight for today. And I'm taking it on my Morphe M501 brush. This is the best brush for highlighting. Popping it right on the cheeks. And now I'm taking my Morphe 8W blush palette. This is such a beautiful palette. I love this. It's like, I could pretty much just live off of these colors because they're just like everyday colors, and this is a really good blush palette. It has so many like shimmers, and then it has some like matte shades. It's really beautiful. So I'm gonna take the shade Babe, this one right here, and I'm taking that on my Sephora angled blush brush. All right, to go ahead and finish this look, I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner in Pillow Talk. And I'm just gonna line my lips with that. And then I'm just, oh, I just got this. Alana Davison, she did a whole video on like Hourglass makeup products, just like a whole face of using Hourglass, and she used their, what are they called, the Girl Lip Stylo, and she had like 4 different shades, and I loved the nude shade she had, so I had to get it, and it looks like this. The packaging is so beautiful. Hourglass always has like the best packaging, just feels like so classy and luxurious. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. It's in the shade Believer. That is such a pretty color, and I love it because it's a lipstick and it's not drying, and it has a little bit of a sheen to it, but it's not like glossy or anything like that. I think it's so beautiful, and especially it's going to be great for the winter time, because if you're like me or most people, their lips just get really dry during the winter, and you don't want to be putting on like liquid lipstick or something that's really drying, because it's just gonna like crack. So I feel like this formula is gonna be really pretty, and I love this shade. Honestly, I feel like I found my like new favorite nude shade, and I feel like it goes with this look so beautifully. So I'm just gonna fix my hair real quick, and I'll be right back to show you the finished look up close. Alright, that is the finished look, everybody. I hope you guys liked it. I absolutely love this look. It is so pretty, and I feel like I might actually do this for Thanksgiving, depending on what I'm wearing. I don't know what I'm wearing yet, but this is such a beautiful look. I think it's so pretty. If you have your eyes on like the Huda Beauty Nude palette, I know it's pretty pricey. It's $65, but I think it's totally worth it. And right now, if you buy it this weekend, I'm gonna have this up tonight, the same day, you will get like, I think it's either 15% off or 20% off, depending on what your status is, but I think it's a perfect time to go buy it. I bought it when it was on the VIB sale, and I've been using it ever since. I absolutely love it. The pigmentation is awesome. I didn't have any problems with it. The glitter eyeshadows are like so amazing. They're just so different from other glitter eyeshadows that I have, and yeah, I mean, this look speaks for itself. It's so beautiful. And this lip color right here, living for. This is my new nude favorite. I feel like I might need to go get some different shades because this is so beautiful and so comfortable on the lips. This is my Thanksgiving makeup look. So I hope y'all guys like it. If y'all did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, please. It'll let me know that you love seeing these videos, and I'll make more of them. And subscribe to my channel. Trying to reach hopefully 500 by the end of the year. Would be great to go to 1,000. I don't know, I'm gonna try, but we'll see. I just love all of you who are following me and have subscribed. It means the world to me. So I think that's about it. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.